All right, everyone, welcome once more to another live stream of Cooking with Chat. I am your hostess, Alexandra Mayers. And remember, if you'd like to learn more about me, all you got to do is pop on over to alexandramayerslive.com or you can visit cookingwithchat.com. I'm just going to make myself, I guess, an early dinner, late lunch today. And I got a hold of some Poblano peppers. So I'm going to make some stuffed peppers tonight for myself. Hold on, let me turn this music down a little bit. But yeah, I guess tonight's meal is going to have a little bit of a Latin flair to it, a little bit of a Tex-Mex kind of feel, because that is where I'm residing right now. All right, Poblano peppers. They look kind of like a chili pepper, but they're bigger. All right, here we go. This is what they look like. And by no means am I a cooking culinary expert yet. This is just me having fun with y'all. That's it. Got some olive oil we're going to implement. And let me tell you ladies something, okay? Please, if your diet allows you to, of course, consult with your doctor or whatnot. But please implement olive oil into your diet. It makes all the difference in the world. I have been feeling really energetic, and my joints, naturally, as I get older, I'm going to develop a certain level of arthritis. Runs on my mom's side of the family. But I've just been feeling a lot more energetic, my body has felt looser. My skin has been really glowy lately. And I was thinking, I'm like, what have I been doing different? And I'm like, okay, I've been home cooking more, which I'm sure makes a difference because I'm getting, better nutrition from, opposed to eating out. And I was like, okay, what have I really been eating? I have been eating a lot of garlic, definitely. Actually, we're going to put some garlic in this. I've been eating a lot of onions, but I have definitely been ingesting a tremendous amount of olive oil. And I was looking up the health benefits of olive oil just the other day, and I'm feeling those benefits. So if you're feeling a little sluggish, if your body's feeling kind of achy, I'm 43, okay? So, women, if you're around my age range, start putting olive oil in your diet. If you look at the groups of people who live in the areas of the world where olive oil is like a staple in their cooking, their longevity is pretty high. So I think that there's something to adding olive oil to your diet. Just something I want to mention today. Now, Miss Parker was saying that she was afraid when it comes to how I handle knives. If only she knew. If only she knew when it comes to me and some history with knives. But anyways, so I guess we're going to start by cutting up some onion. And again, this is some leftover onion I've had from something else. The only thing, and I've talked about this before, when it comes to getting into cooking for yourself, is that once you start majorly cooking for yourself with fresh ingredients and stuff, you do not want fast food at all. Not at all. I mean, I think it's helped me lose a little bit of weight, really, because I have not been wanting to go to Whataburger or McDonald's or Burger King or anything, because it doesn't compare to your home cooking. And like I said, I'm not in the least the best home cook at all, but I do enjoy attempting. And that's kind of the message that I want to share with Cooking with Chat, especially for the single ladies out there. A lot of you may feel like, oh, I'm single. It's depressing to be in the kitchen. I felt like that for years. I mean, growing up, I never really wanted to be in the kitchen, truthfully. That was not my thing. My mom and my dad enjoyed cooking quite a bit when I was growing up and whatnot. When I was a little girl up into my early teens when they were together. And I appreciated it. I always saw my parents cooking as a time for me to connect with them, talk, get to know them as people. I didn't realize it at the time, of course, but nowadays when I look back, I definitely understand why I enjoyed those times in the kitchen with them so much. So, being that I don't have a family of my own or anything, when I share my time in the kitchen with y'all, it's kind of me reminiscing a little bit to those times and just getting out whatever's in my head that needs to come out into our dimension. Okay, here we go. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm so glad I put those tomatoes in there. The poblano pepper has a very earthy sort of taste to it. Very earthy, very good. Almost a little bit reminiscent of a portobello mushroom in a way. Not overpowering, not at all. Keep in mind, I also put the red pepper in with this. This is very good. I wish I could share this with somebody right now, honestly. This is very good.